Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this microwave from Silvercrest with grill and 10 automatic programs. Includes glass turntable and stainless steel grilling rack. With a 95 minutes timer, defrost function, 11 power settings, 20 liters capacity, 1000 watts on grilling mode, 800 watts on microwave. Roast-free stainless steel with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Meter of cable, ventilation here and at the back, the door. I like this finish at the handle. Include, of course, we have in the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, you can find out all about this product. The grill stand, the glass table with the round wheels for the glass table, and we have some stickers. The plastic for the base goes here. Here inside we can see and the grill function. To install the turn stand and the glass turntable, it goes inside here. So easy. And if you want to use the grill, and the grill at the glass round table. It has an amazing design, I like it. Large and beautiful display, I like that. Sorry about the flickering. Here we have the button timer and clock, the comb button grill and for microwave, and the stop clear button, the defrost button, the grill button, and the microwave button. And of course we have the rotary knob, automatic cooking, time, wait, with button start, quick start. So you can rotate and press the button and clear. Now before starting to use the microwave, let's set the clock. Press and hold this button. 12 or 24 hours, 24 hours. 13 and minutes. That was all so easy. Unfortunately, the clock must be set again if the product has been disconnected from the power supply. You can use the express microwave cooking. Press once for 30 seconds. It is express. And by pressing, you are increasing 30 seconds. Stop and clear. Now the microwave mode, we have the P8 from P1 to P8. P1 it is 100 watt, P2 you can see right in the corner, P5, P6, P7, P8. Now we can see the seconds and increasing the timer. And as I mentioned, 95 minutes the maximum. Press again to start. And with a sound. Next, grill mode. And again we have the timer, 95 minutes maximum, 10 seconds the minimum. And start. In the grilling mode, you can choose more time by rotating. And clear. Next we have the combination mode, comb, C1 70% grill mode, 30% microwave, C2 45% grill, 55% microwave. C2, adjust the timer again. A built-in timer helps keep track of cooking times, ensuring precision when heating or cooking food. The timer can be adjusted manually depending on the dish you are preparing. And clear. Next it is the defrosting by weight and by time. By time and by weight. And again 95 minutes maximum, 10 seconds the minimum. And clear. Defrost by weight, 100 grams to 1800 grams. 100 grams it is 4 minutes and 20 seconds, the minimum, and 1800 grams it is 61 minutes. And it will start, we can see the time. Clear. Other time. Later I will use this program to defrost. Now I will show you the delay cooking function, but first we need to select the program. Rotate at the left. 01, pasta. Okay, I like the icons. 02, it is the fish. The rice. 03, 04, it is the chicken. 05, heating. 06, it is the potatoes. 07, meat joints. 8, popcorn. I like that. 9, liquids. And 10, vegetables. And we can see the weight range, the time range, microwave/grill function. Pasta. You have the option to choose 100, 200 or 300 grams. 25 minutes. Let's say the fish. Maximum 600 grams. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. grams, 800 grams it is the maximum. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's boil the water. 200 ml, I think it is okay. Let's go add the program liquids. 800 grams the maximum, 200 grams. The microwave features easy to use dial controls, allowing for quick setting adjustments. It's user-friendly and ideal for those who prefer simple, intuitive operation. And wow, it is hot. Nice work. Now to adjust the delay cooking function, choose one of these programs, the grams, time button, and adjust the time. Hour and minutes. So let's wait. There it is for 28 minutes. And cancel. To activate the child-proof lock, press and hold the stop button for 3 seconds. There it is, we have the icon here, so nothing, it works. Press again and hold for 3 seconds, deactivate. Now it's working. Now I would like to use the defrost. Wow, that is huge. Defrost by weight. This is the maximum. 1 hour. This is great for preparing meals in advance when you need to defrost items straight from the freezer. And if I will turn on the door, it will stop automatically. Press the button to resume. Let's check, I think it is okay. Oh yes, perfectly. I like it. Press the stop again. Fan is on for a few seconds. And now it's time to test and cook a rice. 150 grams rice, 300 ml of water. And I need to choose the program for the rice. A03, 150 grams, 18 minutes. Has a compact, space-saving design that fits well in most kitchens without taking up too much counter space. It's a great option for smaller kitchens, apartments or dorm rooms. And we can see the fan is remaining for a few seconds on. And the rice is ready. That is a very well cooked rice. I like it. Next one, eggs. And I will use the combination method. C1 it is 70% grill and 30% microwave. So I think I will go C2 45% grill and 55% microwave. For about 3 minutes. It is a practical and efficient microwave ideal for everyday kitchen use. Okay. Not enough. We need more time. C2 again, and I think I will go to another 4 minutes. Now it's done. I like it. Good color. And now I will use the grill stand, and I have these chickens. Combination again, C1, 17 minutes, 70% grill and 30% microwave. And it is ready. Smells nice. Well done. And now let's try grill mode pizza. For 13 minutes. With its user-friendly controls, multiple power settings and compact design, it offers convenience for both heating and cooking, whether you are preparing quick meals, defrosting ingredients, or reheating leftovers. This microwave is a reliable tool that fits well into your household. And it smells so nice. A little bit overcooked, so it was 13 minutes. After finishing I have to choose another 3 minutes, but I think it is more suitable the maximum to be 14 minutes, not 16 minutes. Let's see, but I like it. Crispy. And now it's time for popcorn. Microwave P7, 3.5 minutes. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more appliance reviews, kitchen tips and home improvement guides. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Don't use your microwave and grill only for popcorns. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.